Guys, today we're at a hardware in Discover Bay called Columbus Hardware. They have a section of the store, the hardware, where they sell fixtures for bathroom.
Well, look, strip. Are they selling? Strip. Are they selling?
Not that one, eh?
Are this?
No. It kind of more flexible, you know. Also for the
Like
strip for the.
this nice.
Yeah, this nice. No, we don't have enough space in our bathroom. It's kind of tiny.
This alright.
Yeah, this nice.
This we don't put the pipe.
Yeah. Open the door. And see. Yeah, that nice. There's one behind it now.
Yeah, that's nice. So you don't have no cupboard, no shelf.
Some of them are made with shell, but if you want to put, I guess you have to go make one.
Well, finish it. Yeah.
Remember the face basin piping I got underneath, you know, the elbow looking thing.
Yeah.
So maybe there's no space now in there for shell. Maybe.
I see it.
That's a big one. You know if you said the double one can hold? Dwight. You know if you said the double one can hold?
You said it's small, so you don't see the double one.
Because then maybe we can get that face basin with that.
This is nice. With this or with this?
Sorry. All the same size.
The top with this?
This the brother. The brother? You know, I like the handle on this.
Yeah, I like this. I like this
This
finish.
have one better finish. Right, so we're gonna look at shower door. Where I put on my clothes.
Man, it's up there. Where you call it? Where you look for?
What? The strip. Who's still asking for the strip? Babe?
Oh, we have to do.
Oh, they have a lot of doors.
It's nice, no?
Wow! Oh my God!
A front door, this?
Sold. Single door. Nice, man.
Not nice.
Jeez.
Like this.
This is nice. Look
You
exquisite.
know, I'm sure I'm going to put my rug out like here.
Let me see you with it. What if I leave it up there, sir? That door is nice, man. My gosh. Yeah. This is nice.
See bedroom.
Huh?
Bedroom.
You don't put such a lavish door in the bedroom? It look nice.
Nice.
They have some nice hardwood door. It's closet door.
Oh, this is the shower one.
They show in something like this, you know, at Ochi. On James Avenue, that. The mirror. That nice. This is another one. The mirror. Hey!
It's nice, no?
That's another one. 8,000. All these doors sold. They have white door. Who's soon up there? I might feature the door then. I must have the video. That door are nice.
Yes.
But it's not the metal one, right?
No, that.
Right. You know, sir. Is it plastic? You can't use outdoor. Could I use that inside door? It's not wood.
We didn't know what my button for. Oh, water come through them, you know?
Yeah. 44. See, show like that and you have the head already. You know, so I'm show you some of what you.
Blessings have to flow like a river.
Come from all about.
Blessings have to flow like a river.
One is up there in a shower. Fit up. There's another shower head. Not shower. Head shower. Sorry. Now we're looking at neaty and unusual. This is unusual.
This?
This one.
Yeah.
Neat. I'm gonna see him.
Water flies everywhere. When you be there, come on there.
See water.
How did water come out? Oh. with force.
I guess it's your water or something like supply.
Yes.
Yeah, you can have heavy.
Only 2 door there, or is it 2?
No man more on it.
Where?
Remember time we wanted this stainless steel finish. It's a mirror. That's a mirror. You can put a little stuff in here, so.
Oh yeah.
Or here.
Yeah. Nice. This is it.
Some better. They look better. They show we name so that we forget. Can I show me some?
Hey, that's very nice.
Show right here. The 2 of them, I tell you.
So this down the front door?
Yeah. But a single.
Oh yeah, single one.
Single.
I mean, they look small.
No, if you have a single door. Nice door. That's another one. With the glass. This is with the glass too, but it's frosted.
This are the
Closet door, bifold. I don't have no luck with them, so we buy them for money. They buy them for money, but these ones look different.
relax. What going? Go on, let's go over there.
So the doors. As I said, this is a hardware and runway bay.
Alright.
Sorry, Discovery Bay. Hardware and Discovery Bay. Columbus Hardware.
Yeah.
We bought some of our tiles here for the bathroom. Flooring. A couple months ago. So we're back to there. We're looking for the strip for the edge. They have a wide selection of doors. They have a very wide selection of doors. Our Tyler is waiting on us, so just doing a quick vlog. White doors, natural finish. Man. Doors to kill. Indoor doors, outdoor, interior, exterior, yeah, the metal ones.
It looks simple.
It says molded door.
Inside, no. Hey, this is the inside. It looks simple. Put them up there, bro.
Yeah. Full of doors. 18,000. Walnut.
I need them and this in the closet. All I want to make the door at the washroom. I want this up over there.
Almost. Regular door can go there.
Oh, so I better get something like this there. Regular door.
You take a show from the kitchen. You don't want this a show from the kitchen. Also. Yeah, regular door. And not at all. Or not at all. Was one of those. Hey, the morning here.
So then?
It's also going to with a mirror.
So what will you do?
Yeah, it might tell us just one year fit up out here, so.
So then get this up?
And
one door.
Yeah, maybe then leave it. That's I can go inside, but maybe it's a double door. Do not remove, and that's the. Right, so the fit up one here, the shower here. They have sinks for the kitchen up top.
Yeah.
Oh, veranda. I love this door. 7,000.
This?
But you buy a light one for the veranda. You know, see?
They don't want that to have?
Simple.
No, full one. Full one different from that.
Some more here? Oh, they're bigger. No,
oh, yes.
same thing. They have paintings. Wall paint.
I want this one for getting now. Besides that is.
No one of them can give it the square.
What's here I see inside?
No, I mean the something there. That bottom. That yeah, but that bottom with the square face basin.
Okay.
So the top part the mirror you say like. The part the mirror you say like they have flower pots. But they look at this. What is it? No, what is this? That's lovely, cool. I need. David stones. Different shapes, color. We have pins.
The one for wall.
We have the lights.
And the strip.
This is a triple hanging light. Good for kitchen. Nice for the kitchen.
What's up there, man?
The strip.
The shower. No, for the shower.
The drain, the thing, that can say drain pipe. Shower drain, yeah. That one, we have that one. Chandeliers. Other lighting that can be used in the living room. Just said it's a hardware, so you see things hanging all over. It's another chandelier right there.
Ah, that's silver one, right?
Yeah.
Silver one.
Yeah. And we have a wide variety of tiles. If you look around, you see them hanging all over. Samples. Have those. Them hanging all over. You just look around. Different type of tiles. We have a mosaic. Mosaic tiles. These are the mosaic. I wanted a strip of mosaic tiles on the wall in the shower, but white is boring. So I just want the straight, same color all through. I always love mosaic tiles. Like these are, those ones are for flooring. They have the brick. This is where I bought the tile, the non-skip tile for the shower area. Those are the one that I got. Just the solar. Fans. Don't tell me you love this. Tiles. They have ladders. This is the hardware. Ladders. We have mats, bathroom rolls. I don't hear what nice. What can I say?
Get the roll now. How much is it?
You have a strip?
So, I got nothing else over in there.
Some more nice.
Yeah?
Oh, so the lights inside the ceiling, those are all for sale as well. Look at this one. It's nice. That's one. That's another one. Flat. That's one. That's a bigger one. There's a round one. It's in the ceiling. They have them displayed. Surface panel, surface LED. They're cute. What did he show? I don't know why I showed it for. They were the ugliest thing. Man, an ugly bad man. I do agree. These are their toilets and face basin. Another one. Then you'd have to come back, you'd have to pay gas to come back, because you need it. Right. Nice door. Nice door, like a
Oh, and put it into it.
It's like a one-stop shop. They have chainsaw, power saw, demolition hammer. Yellow. DJ. Long time in the boom.
What's that, Magnum Fine Glass?
This one, I think I got one.
Oh, the sink, wash tub. Wash down.
Oh,
You must do this nice, see?
yes.
Neat.
Different.
Different from the rest of them.
You never see this.
I love it. See, come with pipe, I guess. There we go, I'm going to see everywhere. In here, let me say. I love this. And this come with, look, you know, when how people used to wash on board, you can't take it out. It's totally cool. It's cute. I love this. I just know one. 17 plus. I love the color. I love this. Look at that one, you know. Don't forgive me. That kill me. So we're on our way out. So that's it for Columbus hardware today. This is surrounding area. It's off the main. I'll show you. You have to go around by the back, you know, remember? Right, so this is the hardware outside. So anything at all you want, building and not anything, a little bit of everything they have stock, building and decorating. That's it, Columbus hardware and supplies. We're gonna go around by the back, collect what tin set I think he bought. We needed more thin set, so we'll find those. What? Thumbnail? Oh, so much vehicles. So this is the outside. These are their tiles and granite, countertop granite and tiles. This is just their storage area. See, you have a piece of granite there, countertop. So they have these, nice, for outdoor bricks, concrete bricks, I guess, for outdoor walkway, and they have them in different colors as well. Those are the other ones. Those are the ones that I showed you on the inside. They just store them out here. So around by the back, we're gonna collect the thin set. They have tiles and thin set, lumber, zinc. Everything's stored around here. Yeah.
How much is cement now?
1,500.
This is around the back.
By next year.
Town.
Next year,
Stone right
Or
there.
more.
Where they store the stand.
You think that's it? Now come. Alright. Yeah, next year 2,000 odd man.
Pipes.
Just up there, get cool and on.
Storage.